To create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive, first we have to download the Windows Media Creation tool for Windows 10, and that we can download direct from the Microsoft website. So we are downloading it now. It's a small size file. We'll simply open the file and run it. Now it will download the Windows 10 automatically to your local system. So we can select from here the appropriate options for making ISO image. So we have created the ISO image successfully. Now we need to download a software which is called Rufus. So we'll download it directly from the site itself. It's also a very small sized file. Now we have to select appropriate option from the drop down to make a USB bootable drive. Now we have to select the partition scheme for our existing system, whether it is MBR type or GPT type. For that we have to do the following steps. To find out the partition type of your existing PC, go to this PC and click on it, then click on manage and click on disk management. Disk partition will be shown, and from that right click on the disk partition 0, right click on it and click properties, then go to the volumes, and then the partition type will be shown here. So as can be seen, it is a GPT type drive, so we have to select GPT from the drop down while making a USB bootable drive. So we'll select partition scheme as GPT and directly proceed towards the creation of the bootable USB drive. Now after clicking start, it will start copying system files to the USB bootable media drive. It takes a little bit of time, so I will fast forward from here. Now the Windows 10 bootable USB media drive is created. Now we'll check whether it is appropriately created or not. So it can be seen it is working properly. Now we'll do another test. We'll do boot directly from the USB drive and see whether it is working as a USB drive, media drive also or not. We're restarting the PC now and repeatedly pressing F2 to go directly to the BIOS. So this is the BIOS here, and we'll select boot media from here. This is the USB drive. After selecting the boot media, we are restarting it. And this is the Windows 10. So our bootable Windows 10 with the media drive is working perfectly. Thanks for watching.